The coefficient of x to the power of 3 of this expression is 70. And to obtain the x to the power of 3 terms for this entire expression here, I'm going to apply the binomial expansion for this and this. Applying the binomial expansion for this, extracting out the term that is x to the power of 3, that term will look something that is like this. 5 choose 3, then a to the power of 5 minus 3 minus x to the power of 3. And extracting the x to the power of 3 terms from this, that term should look like 6 choose 3, then 2 to the power of 6 minus 3, and x to the power of 3. This is equal to 70 x to the power of 3. Let's evaluate this. This one, this 5 choose 3, I'm going to evaluate using my calculator. This is to the power of 2. As for this, I'll break it up into minus 1 to the power of 3, then x to the power of 3. If I were to press this portion here into the calculator, it is 160, and this is x to the power of 3. This is equal to 70 x to the power of 3, and so on. Pressing 5 choose 3 and minus 1 to the power of 3 onto my calculator, what I'm going to get is a minus 10. So here will be minus 10 a square x to the power of 3 plus 160 x to the power of 3, and so on. This is equal to 70 x to the power of 3. Factorizing x to the power of 3 will give me 10a squared plus 160 of x to the power of 3, which is going to be equal to 70 x to the power of 3, and so on. So comparing both the coefficients, I will get 10a squared plus 160. This is going to be equal to 70, which means that a squared is going to be equal to 9. And since a is a positive constant, a, which is supposed to be plus or minus 3, I'm going to reject the minus 3, and a is going to be just simply 3, because a is supposed to be positive.